Hello, good morning students. It's Gurupal Singh, your accountancy and economics teacher. How are you all? I hope all are good. So students, in this video today we are going to study accountancy, and in accountancy we are going to solve question number 35 and 38 from dissolution of a partner chapter. So please open your book. Here I am using TQQL book. So open your TQQL book. See question number 35. So before starting question number 35, first of all, like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed. Most of students are watching videos and not liking. No one is liking videos. Either you are not understanding students, or any other problem is there. So at least you are studying na, so please subscribe my channel, like videos also. Put your SR number in the comment section if you are studying, whenever you are studying, right? By which we are able to know na ki how many are studying. Only one student mentioned his comment in the last video, that was Harpreet, and nobody else is mentioning their name or SR number. At least mention your SR number. We are having a proof that you are studying. Otherwise then everything is not useless. So see the question number 35. What is question? Question is PQ are partners sharing profit and losses equally. So here their sharing ratio is, holder ratio is equals to how much? 1:1. Okay. On 15 March 2014 firm was dissolved. Now what is the meaning of dissolve? Dissolve का मतलब होता है बंद हो गई. Okay. The dissolution resulted in a loss of 60,000. अब जब कंपनी बंद हो रही है उस टाइम पे कंपनी में लॉस कितने का है? 60,000 रुपये का. हाउ मच? 60,000. नाउ टेल मी हु विल बियर दिस लॉस. ये जो लॉस कंपनी को दिखा रहा है 60,000 रुपये का, ये किसको बियर करना पड़ेगा? तो दिस लॉस विल बी बोर्न बाई ओल्ड पार्टनर पी एंड क्यू. ओके. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट इज गोइंग शोइंग? पी एंड क्यू शुड क्रेडिट बैलेंस इज 70,000 एंड 50,000. मीन्स 70,000 रुपये पी के लगे हुए बिजनेस में एंड 50,000 रुपये क्यू के लगे हुए हैं. There was a bank balance 60,000 only. Now question is saying pass journal entries the transfer of loss to the capital account of partners and making the final payment to the partner. तो first of all to transfer the loss, what will the entry? अगर realization में loss हो रहा है, in the realization there is loss, then in which side you will transfer बेटा? In the credit side. You write na buy loss or transfer to P and Q. So same here. So whenever there is written buy, that means P and Q will be debited and realization will be credited. Which will be credited? Realization. And how many of you know in which ratio this profit or loss will be divided? Realization में profit या loss जब होता है उसको किस रेशियो में बांटा जाता है? स्टूडेंट्स, दैट लॉस इज डिवाइडेड इनटू द ओल्ड रेशियो. एंड ओल्ड रेशियो कितना है हमारा? दैट इज 1:1. रेशियो कितना है? 1:1. द लॉस ऑन रियलाइजेशन इज 60,000. तो व्हाट विल बी द जर्नल एंट्री? सो द जर्नल एंट्री विल बी पीस कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट. ओके. क्यू कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट. ओके. To realization. Right? There was 60,000, so they were equal partners. So 30,000 will be borne by P and 30,000 will be borne by Q. Okay. अब P का देखिए क्रेडिट बैलेंस कितना दे रखा है? 70,000. पहली एंट्री पास हो गई सभी की. नोट डाउन फर्स्ट एंट्री एवरीवन. नाउ सी क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऑफ P is 70,000. Okay, and loss suffered by P was how much? 30,000. Subtract 30,000, so there will be 40,000 balance which is to be paid to P. Okay, note down it in the working note. After that Q's credit balance is better 50,000, right? And in account of Q loss is 30,000. So from 50 we will subtract 30, so there will be a 20,000 amount which is to be paid to P. Okay, so for this journal entry will be what will be the journal entry? P is capital account debit, Q is capital account debit to bank. Okay bete, to bank. Why? In the capital account na, we will when close the capital account, what entry we write? To bank account, and in the subsequent partners we write their standing balances. So here P's balance is 40,000, just I have calculated, and Q's balance is 20,000. Final payment become 40 and 20, 60,000. Okay, so these two entries you have to pass here. Okay, now see the solution. We have passed na P's capital debit, Q capital debit to realization. So if you have not noted earlier, from here you can note down P's capital account debit, Q's capital account debit to realization. Narration will be transfer of loss on realization. Okay, after that final payment to Q, this will be P's capital debit, Q's capital debit to bank account. 40,000 we have calculated just now for the P and 20,000 for the Q. Total payment will be 60,000. Right? Is it clear? Noted. Now see the again question number 36. That is debtors were taken over by L at 18,000 beta. So L capital account debit to realization. Creditor paid at discount 5%, 7,500 will be subtracted. Then realization account debit to bank account 14,350. Expense on realization paid by M to realization debit to M. Again loss on realization entry will be like similar as just this P and Q, and that way you have to pass for the both partner that were L and M. Okay, so and this question I have explained also, so note down this question also. After that come to the next question. That question is 38. First of all we will read the question. Question is Disha, Mohit and Nandan, who are partners? Disha, Mohit and Nandan. After that there is no profit sharing ratio given in the question, hence we will let that the old sharing ratio among the partners become 1:1:1. ठीक है, कितना हो जाएगा रेशियो? 1:1:1. Now see, first transaction is saying an old typewriter which was not recorded in the books was sold for 2,000 whereas its expected value was 5,000. तो बेचा कितने का गया है बेटा? इट इज़ 2,000 ना, एक्सपेक्ट तो 5,000 करा जा रहे थे. मेरे पास कार है, मैं एक्सेप्ट तो 1 करोड़ कर सकता हूँ, पर एक्चुअल में तो मेरे पास वही आएगा ना जो मिल रहा है मुझे. सिंपली इफ़ आई एम हैविंग अ मोबाइल फ़ोन, आई हैव परचेज इट फॉर 5,000 and after that I am expecting to sell it for the 20,000. So no way na, there is no use of 20,000. Whatever money I will collected from the sale, that will be useful. So there will be what will be the entry? Bank account debit to realization 2,000 you have to write. Okay, stock of 70,000 was taken by Disha at 30% discount. तो 30% डिस्काउंट कितना हो जाएगा? 70,000 into 30 upon 100, it will be 21,000. How much? 21,000. Now from 70,000 you subtract 21,000, then you will get how much? 49,000. How much? 49,000. तो taken by Disha ना, तो Disha capital account debit to realization, the journal entry will be of second. Okay, what? Disha capital account debit to realization. Why Disha debited? Because whenever assets are realized, that are transferred to the credit side, and in the credit side you have to write the name of the partner. So partner was Disha, so Disha will be debited. Now the third is total creditor of the firm were 20,000. A creditor of 2,000 was untraceable and other creditor accepting payment of along 10% discount. Right? So from 20 you subtract 2,000. How much it will be? It will be 18,000. How much? 18,000. And after that from 18,000 the discount will be 2,000. Discount will be 2,000. So from 20 you have to subtract 2,000. It will be 18,000 beta. How much remaining? 18,000. and 10% of 18,000 will be 1800, right? So 1800 you will subtract, so here you will get 16,200. Okay, so Mohit pay total creditor of the new firm this much, this was paid. Then what the journal entry will be? The journal entry will be realization debit to bank. After that, Mohit paid realization expense 18,000 out of his private fund, who was get remuneration of 13,000 for completing the dissolution process and was responsible for bearing all these expenses. So here you can see Mohit paid na. So for that, firm is paying 13,000. How much? 13,000. So actually, from the account of Mohit, only 13,000 will be transferred to the realization account. Okay, he has paid from private funds, but actually firm is paying 13,000 for the dissolution. So only 13,000 will be transferred to realization. So realization account debit to Mohit capital account. Right? In that you have to write 13,000. After that, Nandan had taken a loan of 50,000 from the firm, which was paid out by him fully him to the firm. Okay, so for this you can easily pass note down entry. After that, 12,000 recovered from bad debts. So bad debts recovered, cash account debited to bank account, right? So here again, this is the solution of the same question which I have explained just now. जो भी क्वेश्चन मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया उसी का सॉल्यूशन है. फिर से एंट्रियाँ रिपीट करता हूँ. प्रिपेयर द फॉर्मेट इफ़ यू हैव नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड येट. अगर आपने फॉर्मेट नहीं बनाया है, फॉर्मेट नोट कर लीजिए. ऑन द टॉप यू हैव टू राइट जर्नल एंट्रीज, राइट? डेट, पर्टिकुलर, लेजर फोलियो, अमाउंट एंड अमाउंट. सो द फर्स्ट एंट्री बिकम बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन. ओके, व्हाट? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू realization. Okay, so I have explained this. So after that, Disha taken stock at 30% discount. So Disha capital debit to realization we have discussed na, 49,000, like this you have to write. After that, realization account debit to bank. Payment was made to creditor. Creditor were 18,000, 2,000 were unprestable because we have it means we have to paid only 18,000, and from 18,000 we are getting 10% discount. That is why the balance will be 16,200. balance कितना बचेगा? 16,200. आफ्टर दैट रियलाइजेशन टू मोहित कैपिटल. देखिए एक्सपेंस तो 15,000 है, 15 ही है ना, सॉरी 18,000, बट फॉर्म इज पेइंग 13,000 टू मोहित ओनली. सो वी विल राइट हेयर ओनली कितना लिखा जाएगा? रियलाइजेशन डेबिट टू मोहित कैपिटल 13,000. ओके, आफ्टर दैट बैंक लोन वाज पेड बाय नंदन. तो नंदन जब पे कर रहा है तो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू नंदन लोन अकाउंट आ जाएगा. ठीक है, नंदन ने फर्म से लोन लिया था, फर्म को दे दिया, फर्म के पास पैसा आ गया तो बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट हो गया. किसने दिया? नंदन ने. तो टू नंदन लोन अकाउंट आ जाएगा. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट of 12,000 bad debts were recovered. How much? Bad debts recovered for 12,000. कितने के bad debts recover हुए थे? 12,000 के. So we will write bank account debit to realization 12,000 and 12,000 from the last year. ठीक है, I think most of the students are having doubt in this 16,200 किस तरह से आया. फिर से रिपीट कर देता हूँ. There was balance of creditors कितना है? 20,000. Okay, 2,000 creditors were unprotestable, means we will not pay them. हमें 2,000 के creditors को पे नहीं करना है. So remaining balance become 18,000. कितना जाएगा? 18,000. After that, here is 16,200. There was 10% discount. So 18,000 into 10 upon 100 किया, कितना आ गया? 0 0 0 0. It will become 1800. How much? 1800. Now we will subtract it from 18,000 minus 1800. This will be now 16,200, right? So you can note down this entry as like this, 16,200. Okay, now all the entries are completed and I hope you have got it all the entries. Students, if you are having any problem in any entry, students, put your comment or ping me a message on my WhatsApp or make a phone call to me. Okay, I'm very happy whenever student asking their queries. Last 2-3 students putting their comments in the last videos, so I was very happy and I have explained all their queries like Harpreet and some 2-3 students or other. So anytime whenever you are studying, beta, if you are facing problem, you can contact us. We are available for you 24. Thank you students for watching this video. Bye bye.